back here today, and you're like, what the heck is that? And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's just a video. We're gonna be watching some dirt bike videos. And it's gonna start right now. I just saw that was ooh, dang. I think this is the same clip. Yeah, it is. It's just with his GoPro on. Oh, I'm sorry. It's just with his GoPro on him. My foot, my foot, my foot, 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 foot. Oh god. Love that noise, but it wasn't a good noise. Let me zoom in over there. Here's one crash fast. Boom! I'm sorry, but that was funny. He couldn't breathe because he knocked the breath out of him. He wasn't dying. He just knocked the breath out of him. But I shouldn't be laughing at him. But he was like, oh. But it was something like that. Oh gosh! He managed to stand up while he was on the air. He's probably trying to show off and messed up. Oh, trying to crash into the tree. Couldn't just get off of it and move it. Oh, these are little kids. Bike and ice. One of them KTM is very expensive. There we go. Thank you, guys. Can him go over the ramp?
Holy shit!
Oh, he listed. He was trying to call Willie, but he couldn't do it. After this, crash, I have to go. Crash easy on it. I'll see y'all guys. Oh gosh, my dog. Okay, I'm sorry. I have to end the video right here. I promise I'll see y'all guys later. And bye.